Yeah, hello. Here we are again. Another vacation house. But, while it is a new vacation house in 2021, it is not a new vacation. We were at this house last year. We're in Lake George. I got a lot of people who gave me crap about not showing the house in Lake George. So now I'm going to do it. I'm going to go through the house. It is a weird house. It is a cool house, but I'm going to do a little tour of the house. So I'm in the bedroom. I'm starting in the bedroom because this is where the camera was. So I'll start here. And I'm going to show you the creaky, crooked floors, all the bedrooms. It's a nice house. It's a great vacation house because there's a ton of beds and all that stuff. But yeah, if I lived here, it would drive me crazy because the floors are very creaky. Like this spot right here. This floor slopes down like a lot in just this bedroom alone. But I'm going to show the rest of the bedroom. So let's flip it around. So this is the bedroom. And no, I'm not making the bed. The simple bedroom. I guess this is considered the master. Not much to it. Two nice windows that lead out into the street. All very nice. A bureau. I'm going to get my wallet because I probably am not coming back upstairs. So let's take that. Now, if you're hearing a noise in the background, that's Allison inflating things. Like rafts and stuff. Oh, look, there's Ben. And none of these lights work, so it's dark as hell in here. Hi, Ben. I'm doing a tour of the house.
Oh, okay.
Does that light work?
It works, but only unplugged it.
Oh, your mother is always sabotaging my videos. Directly and indirectly.
Yeah, she unplugged last night.
Yes, I'm talking about you and your... There we go. Okay. This bedroom is like the second bedroom, but it's connected. There are two bedrooms that are connected together, so there's no hallway, and in order to get to this bedroom, you have to go through another bedroom. I actually slept in this room last year, and I actually like this bed because it's not on a metal shitty frame. See, it's like a nice frame. But these old houses, the one bad thing is when you have a lot of electronics, these houses are awful because there's not a lot of plugs, and the plugs that there are where there are plugs. They're used by these lamps and these window unit air conditioning systems, which didn't really need them last night because it was 48 degrees here in the middle of August. And here's Ben relaxing, enjoying himself. Yeah, YouTubing. Another bed. I think Allison slept in this bed last night because she didn't want to hang out with me. Here's another bedroom, spare bedroom, where Allison is inflating inflatables. Why are you inflating inflatables?
So that we have the pool toys ready and it's warm enough to swim in the pool.
Well, that is going to be an interesting scenario of warm enough to go into that pool because it was 48 degrees last night and it's going to be a tops of maybe 80, 77. So that's 3 bedrooms, or technically 4. We got a bathroom. Yeah, hi. No, you can't even see my arm, can you? You know I'm a big fan of bidets. This is a portable bidet, and it's motorized. If you want to travel, and you want a bidet, here we go. There's a bidet, just for you. Everybody's happy. The pool. It's a nice pool, but it's going to be cold. All right, now let's go over here into bedroom number 4 or 5, depending on how you're counting that other room. So there's a little futon situation in here. Another bed. This is probably going to be Rob's bedroom. And now we're going to go in here. This is like another freakish bedroom that has too many beds, and I'm just kind of walking in JP's bedroom, which is kind of rude. Bed number 1, bed number 2. JP's bed. Now, the nice thing about JP's room, well, the nice thing, bad thing. Here, let me do like a proper. JP picked well. This room has a lot of natural light. It's actually quite. It's nice. But there are 3 beds in this room. And then JP's room actually leads out to an outdoor deck. So if you recall last year, and I'll probably put up footage, last year, Rob was standing on this deck and I was flying the drone at his face. So I'll insert that video footage. He wasn't happy. But a very nice deck on the 2nd floor. The stairs are a little terrifying, truth be told. I'd rather not walk down those stairs if I can avoid it. And there's the pool. This is actually a great spot. I should spend more time out here with Rob when he's smoking his pipes. Hopefully this video, we can send it to the owners and they can use it. Although I just said that the stairs outside were terrifying. So, like, sorry about that. I mean, it's still a nice house. But, like, you know, sometimes you should have seen the last house that we went to in the Finger Lakes. Those stairs were really, really scary. These are just mildly scary. Yeah. And here is another bathroom upstairs that I completely forgot about. So here's the other bathroom. Kind of 1960s chic. And I'm purposely trying not to do the mirror, but here we are, mirror. 1960s chic. Again, like, nobody needs to see a toilet. But yeah, I mean, there's 3 full bathrooms in this house, which is great when you have a house full of people. Now, one of the detractions of the house, and again, it's fine for vacation rental houses, these floors are so creaky. I don't know if you can get all the creak. See? Now, this is a nice stairway. Although, again, the floors are super creaky. So, Victorian style house, like with the living room. I'll do it slow. Very nice stone fireplace, which probably doesn't work, which is why there's the gas fireplace there. That's my son in the background being loud. Fantastic.
Where are you with your video filming?
I'm in the living rooms. That's where I'm at. Second living room. Oh, Lisa's coming? Good. Hi, JP. I'm doing a house tour video.
Good morning.
Yeah.
This house feels so homey.
Yes, it is very homey. TV, for those of you maybe wondering, TV. It is the only TV in the house, though. But, you know, you're on vacation and you have a house with a pool and you're in the Lake George. You don't need to be here playing video games and watching TV all day. You gotta be outside. Very, very nice sized dining room that's appropriate for all the bedrooms that are in the house. Then again, I'm sure people are probably like, show me the kitchen. So let me show you the kitchen. Definitely a rustic kitchen, you know. Things are sort of all over the place. This is kind of an interesting unit. I assume this was a fireplace at some point. A cooking fireplace. This is probably a classic farmhouse at one point. Cabinets full of things that you need at a rental. One refrigerator. Other cabinets in the sink. Again, it's like, oh, how interesting, a sink. But then there's another little room over here off to the side, which is like a breakfast nook. And the washer and dryer in there. And then there's another refrigerator, which is super convenient. And I apologize for the lighting, but this is what it is. Nice covered porch as well. Which I'm a big fan of screened-in covered porches because you have all of the benefits of the outside without any of the bugs. Although, I don't know what bug in their right mind is coming out in 48-degree weather. Bugs. Yeah. Yeah, those things. But, yeah, very nice. This is another spot that we didn't really utilize very well last year, and I'm hoping to do so. Look, it's the dog. Poopers. Poopers. Yeah. Grayla also likes this house and the ridiculous amount of beds that are in the house. Dog food tastes just like it smells. Delicious. Who wants a cookie? Sit. Sit. Good girl. Cookie. See how gentle she takes the cookie. Oh, one more bathroom. There's one more bathroom. This is the I just went swimming and there are a lot of people in the house kind of bathroom. But listen, it gets the job done. A little shower, sink and toilet. That's it. That's all there is. That's the outside where the pool is. Perfectly fantastic house for vacation. Plenty of room, plenty of space, ample bathrooms. It's all the things that you want. It's the things that you want. And the other thing is, which we'll get to in the next segment, it's convenient to a lot of things. There is a grocery store literally right there. It's 500 steps to the grocery store. That's super, super convenient and nice. There's a little breakfast spot across the street. There's a bar next to the house. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh. There. Huh. That is clearly a sewage pipe. Cool. Now we know when people are flushing. That's all for now. Good enough. Good enough.